Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 6 subject English. Note it that this lesson is for other than Varsak branch student. Student, in this lesson our topic is Iqra English Grammar Book lesson 9 and 10 from page 82 to page 87. So let's start our topic, which is about the simple past tense. The definition will be: the simple past tense is used to talk about actions completed in the past. The simple past tense is used to talk about actions, उन कामों के बारे में जो कि मुकम्मल होते हैं माजी में. Simple past tense is used to talk about actions completed in the past. कौन सा टेंस है जिसमें काम कंप्लीट होता है माजी के ज़माने में? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी प्लेड क्रिकेट, हमने क्रिकेट खेली. Affirmative or simple sentence structure will be: for subject I, you, we, they and plural noun we will use second form of verb, as well as for the subject he, she, it singular noun we will also use second form of verb. It means for all type of subjects, if they are plural, singular, noun or pronoun, we will use second form of verb. Then object, then we will put full stop. Subject plus second form of verb plus object. For negative sentence it will be easy, student. For all type of subjects we will add just did not before the verb. Before the verb we will add did not, student, and then in the structure of negative sentence the second form is changed into first form of verb, because we will use the second form of do in this negative sentence. We will use did. That's why we have no need to write second form of verb in the structure of negative sentence. तमाम किस्म के सब्जेक्ट के लिए नेगेटिव सेंटेंस में हम did not का इजाफा करेंगे नेगेटिव स्ट्रक्चर बनाने के लिए, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए, और सेकेंड फॉर्म हमारा चेंज हो जाएगा फर्स्ट फॉर्म में. देन ऑब्जेक्ट, सो सब्जेक्ट प्लस डिड नॉट प्लस फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. कम टू इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस, ऑक्सिलरी डिड हम इस्तेमाल करेंगे इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस फॉर द इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. देन सब्जेक्ट, देन फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, देन ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस क्वेश्चन मार्क. इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी. Come to its exercise. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verb to make simple past tense. Student, we know very well that in simple sentence, simple or affirmative sentence of simple past tense, we will use second form of verb. The independence movement started in India. The Holy Prophet ﷺ preached Islam. He took bread in the morning. I met my old friend at the bus stop. We learnt a new lesson yesterday. Change the following sentences into negative. Student, we know very well that we will write just did not in our sentences to make negative sentence, and second form of verb will change into first form of verb. Mr. Aziz drove his car along the busy road. Mr. Aziz did not drive his car along the busy road. Safiya made all her clothes in the vacation. Safiya did not make all her clothes in the vacation. The students repeated the question 10 times. The students did not repeated the questions 10 times. A man stood among the children. A man did not stand among the children. She got a wonderful gift. She did not get a wonderful gift. Exercise C. Change the following sentences into interrogative. Students, we know very well that how to make interrogative sentence from affirmative or simple. Students, we know that we will write auxiliary did in the beginning of the sentence, and at the end we will put question mark. She knew about our arrival. Students, one thing to be noted that second form of verb will be changed into first form of verb in interrogative sentence. Did she know about our arrival? The players broke the game rules. Did the players break the game rules? The players broke the game rules. Did the players break the game rules? Graham Bell invented the telephone. Did Graham Bell invent the telephone? People of Arabia buried their daughters alive before Islam. Did people of Arabia bury their daughters alive before Islam? I heard the news of an accident. Did I hear the news of an accident? This is our next topic, which is the simple future tense. Student, the definition will be the future simple tense is used to talk about actions. उन कामों के बारे में है. Future simple tense कौन से कामों के बारे में इस्तेमाल होता है? उन कामों के बारे में that will take place in the future time, जो कि मुस्तकबिल के ज़माने में होंगे. वो काम जो कि मुस्तकबिल के ज़माने में होंगे, ये उनके बारे में इस्तेमाल होता है. I shall play cricket. These are the examples. I shall play cricket. He will play cricket. Student, affirmative or simple sentence structure will be for subject I and we. We will use auxiliary shall, first form of verb and object plus full stop. But for the subject you, they, he, she, it, singular or plural noun, we will use auxiliary will plus first form of verb plus object plus full stop. Student, the structure will be very easy. Subject plus auxiliary plus first form of verb plus object, then plus full stop. And for subject I and we will use shall, and the remaining subject we will use will. For the negative, it will be very easy. Students, we will write not after the auxiliary with the subject I and we will write not for the subject after the auxiliary will for the subject you, they, he, she, it, singular or plural noun. Means subject plus auxiliary plus not plus first form of verb plus object plus full stop. The structure of interrogative sentence. Student, auxiliary, we will write auxiliary in the beginning of the sentence. Shall or will come in the beginning of the sentence, then subject, then first form of verb, then object, then we will put question mark. Come to exercise A. Fill in the blanks with correct form of the verb to make simple future tense. For this, we have already know about the auxiliaries. Mariam will talk to my sister on phone. And for I and we know very well that we will use auxiliary shall. I shall wake up at 7 o'clock. They will drink mango juice. Asad will sell that old bike. The staff will earn 1000 rupees this month. Exercise B. Change the following sentences into negative. The stormy weather will cause great damage. The stormy weather will not cause great damage. Student, we know that we will write not after the auxiliary to make our negative sentence. My hard work will give me satisfaction. My hard work will not give me satisfaction. I shall complete the homework today. I shall not complete the homework today. Anila and Sadia will draw the map. Anila and Sadia will not draw the map. We shall go to the market. We shall not go to the market. Change the following sentences into interrogative. Student, we know that auxiliary, we will write auxiliary in the beginning of the sentence. Then at the end we will put question mark and the remaining structure will be same just like affirmative sentence structure. We all shall find at least 3 different leaves. Shall we all find at least 3 different leaves? Put question mark. Some engineers will design a project for the exhibition. Will some engineers design a project for the exhibition? Put question mark. I shall help my needy friend. Shall I help my needy friend? Put question mark. Every citizen will celebrate the Independence Day. Will every citizen celebrate the Independence Day? Put question mark. Teacher will arrange an educational trip for the students. Will teacher arrange an educational trip for the students? Put question mark.